I get a lot of questions about seed storage because a lot of people have seeds, and it's generally understood that seeds can last for years and years, but sometimes people have seeds for only 2 or 3 years and they try to plant them and they don't come up. So the main thing with seed storage is to understand there's a correlation between you want the seeds to be stored in a very cool area in a cool temperature with very little humidity. So if you store seeds and it's warmer, as long as there's very low humidity, they'll still do okay. But if you store them, if you store them, basically high humidity and high heat together, those are what are going to destroy seeds. So the best thing to do is to take your seeds, and what I'll do is I'll take like some rice that I know is very dry, like in a package that I just opened, and I'll put it in like a small paper bag or an envelope or something like that, and I'll put that in with the seeds in the container. So maybe I'll have little bags of seeds, and they'll be in like a Tupperware or a glass jar or whatever it is you have them in, as long as it's airtight. And then you put your seeds away, and then I'll put in the rice. You can get professional desiccants. A desiccant is something that absorbs a lot of moisture. I prefer not to use those type of products because I feel like there's a potential for them to actually dry out the seeds. And so I like to use rice because I know it works really well. It's like you see it in salt shakers. Salt itself is a desiccant, and if the rice can pull the moisture out of the salt, then I know that means that rice is also a really efficient desiccant. So I do that, and I've seen people do it. I've had like poppy seeds in my freezer for 15 years that still come up 100% because they're in there with rice, with the heads. And so I know it works, and that's why I use it. Basically, you can freeze seeds, but there's a little drawback to it that if you're going to get into your seed collection often and you freeze your seeds, that means you're going to be freezing, thawing, and in just my kind of my basic logic tells me that that's probably not good for them. I don't have any science to back that up, but I like to take them, and what I do is I store them in a freezer that has a thermostat in it, and it's basically just like a thermostat that people would use for like a beer keg fridge or something like that. It basically has a probe on a wire that goes into the freezer to keep track of what the temperature is, and then it has a little dial that sets to a temperature. So I can actually run the freezer rather than running it at a certain number on the freezer. I just turn the freezer basically so that it's on, and then there's a plug that goes into the thermostat. So what happens is the freezer is either on all the way or it's off, and what turns it on and off is the thermostat. So it basically makes it so that I can run the freezer at like 40 degrees. Instead of them ever freezing, they're just very cool. I've planted seeds that were stored that were put away in 2000, and I planted those seeds last year, and I got 100% from those. And those weren't even stored at a cold temperature like that. Those were stored in somebody's basement in a box, and it never got above 70 degrees. So just staying below 70 degrees with no humidity can keep your seeds already. That shows you that at least for 15 or 20 years, they will keep. So, you can assume that if your seeds are properly stored and put away while they're still really fresh, you might be able to put seeds away for 30 or 40 or 50 years. But unfortunately, most of us, we didn't think to do that because looking ahead that far, that seems like a long time. Like, oh, I'm going to grow these before it's 50 years from now. But right now I have seeds that are only 15 years old or 10 years old, and they were improperly stored, and they won't come up. And then I have some seeds that are properly stored, and then they all still come up. But as long as your seeds don't get hot and it's not humid where you store them, seeds will last an easy 3 to 5 years. And then when you put them in the fridge, well then, you know, you're getting 10 times the storage life from your seeds. So that's a really good trick to do them that way, airtight, with some rice, in a refrigerator. You don't have to put them in a freezer like I have, but if they're in a refrigerator and they stay around 40 degrees, they're going to do really well.